Hey, welcome to Mama's Garden. This is today is the day for us to
harvest. We're gonna harvest sweet potatoes.
the sweet potato, and me and my daughter is gonna be the one that's gonna
Stop looking at me like that.
the sweet potato. All right.
All right. So we're not gonna clip all of these and throw it away. We're just gonna clip it and push it back in the ground because these are gonna grow some more sweet potatoes for us. So we can still use them. You want to go ahead and just clip them at the base?
As I'm taking stuff that's on top of the the soil and stuff like that. By the time we click, I don't know where to start.
No, you could just clip like these. We're gonna save those.
I'm clicking this.
You can come a little closer.
This is it's already in the root. So therefore, once it's like that, it's already looking for the spot for them to grow and stuff like that. That's what it's gonna be. All right, we're leaving it on the corner.
This bag is pretty old and stuff. I don't know if we're gonna use it again. We might have to throw it away.
This one is already in the root, and you could see the potato root is right there. And stuff like that. You see, I'm touching it. There's another potato that's coming. Touch this. There's another one that's coming right there.
I mean,
it's gonna be on the bottom.
But we're gonna be pulling this, so I don't know if we're gonna get anything right now.
Okay.
So go ahead and clip that.
As she said. All right.
All right. So we're gonna leave that alone. I think we got everything right.
Yeah.
You want to pull and see what we get?
Go
ahead. You can pull. You can pull it if you want to. Oh, you gonna dig it? Okay. I don't know if we're gonna get anything because that one must.
That's not the one, but that's the one. My daughter is telling
This is where we planted everything over here on this side.
That's the part of the thing that's gonna tell you that the potatoes are, it's not there, it's there.
I know that.
It's right here.
I know. I'm letting you dig over there to see if there's anything there.
Okay, I feel something, guys.
You may come a little closer. Okay.
Because they go on the bottom of the I call soil. I'm about to pull. Oh my God!
What happened?
It's underneath.
It probably went through the bag.
Oh soup! Oh soup! Look!
Look at that! Look at that!
Ah! Look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
And that's just from the piece that was on the side. That's not even from what we planted. This is probably just dirt right here. We should have got a plastic for us to throw it on top of. Hold on, mommy. Hold on.
I think she's about to throw it right on the ground.
But what if we could reuse this?
Okay, so here we are.
Hold on, we'll be right back. Another place for me to put the, you know what?
Oh, you had paused it. That's why.
Yeah.
I just unpaused it.
The
carrots.
There you go.
You may come closer with it. All right, let's see.
Okay, it's a big one right here, underneath of that. Okay.
Okay, look at that.
That the big one is underneath of that.
All right, go ahead, pull. I hope it's big ones down there. These are, but this is still good for our first year. Look at that. You see what comes out of the little shoots that we not even hoping for anything to come out of? Look at that. I can't pull with the camera in my hands.
Well,
Hold on, Mama.
Look, and this is connected. So this is one little tube and it just swell up in the middle or the sides.
okay, let's go.
That's a weird looking one to grow.
You wanna just dig around it?
She just want the whole dirt.
Okay, right here on the bottom, it's a lot.
There's a lot of small ones though.
No, right there. I
Look
told
at
you.
that. We got some sweet potatoes. We got.
I feel it.
That's,
Yo, no. Ride that one, Mama.
what? Look at that. Now I wonder if they would have gotten bigger if we would have left it.
Yeah, it would have.
We got some sweet potatoes. We got some sweet potatoes.
I'm double checking to see exactly what's underneath because
That's a
sometimes-
potato. What in the world?
Yeah, that's a potato.
What in the world?
You have to double check to see before you say you finish.
No, wait,
No.
Mama.
Is that it? I think that's it.
Because the root was going all the way on the bottom. So sometimes when you do it, you growing them inside a sack. So you gotta check
I think
because
that's
they
it,
push
but
everywhere.
You wanna?
No, no. Okay.
I think that's it.
That's it. All that is root.
Yeah.
They would have grown bigger, but my daughter, look.
It went into the ground.
Mhm.
It went to that ground over there, right there. You see these holes?
Mhm.
Why are there potatoes in here?
And we didn't even grow nothing. That's the part of it.
Yeah, it went through the ground. Look at all of that.
Hold on. Hold on, baby.
Alright, we're gonna reuse this dirt. Yeah. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna double check to make sure it didn't where's the thing?
Double root.
Where's the
Oh, I
sugar?
don't think I okay. Cause the root went down to the ground, but I don't know where exactly. So this is what we have.
It's
This
a
is-
good size.
It's still good for our very first time growing sweet potatoes.
Yeah, I just
You can
said
still eat them.
Eat
They're
them.
edible.
I just said my
So you want to close the
table.
video?
You said potato and stuff.
Well, as we say, this is Mama's Garden again. I would like for you guys to go and comment and share and subscribe to Mama's Garden.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.